I really feel like this wig really spoke to us.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Deanie. You're
Nice to meet you, Deanie. Majandra. Yes, it's a mouthful.
your name is
It's really
has
long.
been spoken.
Yeah. Well, I mean, your daughters have just been amazing.
Thank you.
It's been like such a great process, and we're so excited.
That's it.
She already looks gorgeous.
Does she look good?
Yes.
I mean, the wig looks good. The head not so.
I mean, but
you're gonna fix that. You're gonna put you inside.
My
That
head
would
will
that's gonna be your job.
I love it.
What's the length that you need?
I mean, technically it's supposed to be, you know, like at least here. You know, it's supposed to
Not touch your
not
shoulder.
touch the shoulders, exactly.
But there was an
So-
angle also.
Yes, it's like kind of like where if it was all flat ironed, it would have like an angle, you know? It's kind of like a 90s bob. I don't even know what it's called. But it's that sort of just thing like this that we're trying to match from
Right.
what it used to look like.
Okay, so let's see what it looks like, and then we'll decide if we need to cut.
Okay, great.
It looks so good on you. You look good in this color.
Isn't it crazy how it's like a different...
You look like you look like it, but that's the point. You want to look like a different
Exactly.
person.
Yeah, you really look like a different person. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I feel like maybe this is blonde and dark, look to bring up a few blondes, but I don't know which look where you're.
No, I think you nailed that's exactly it, Jeannie. It's just a
It should
little
just
more,
like-
so it's not so...
Yeah, not so like
Contrast.
So I could tell you what I'm doing to the wig. She could tell you what she's doing with the wig.
Exactly.
But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the wig shorter this way. This is gonna be our guide of how short we're gonna go. This is gonna be our longest point to match the back. And we are going to line it this way. Everything looks like more or less clear in front, like it's apart. Also with the highlights, it's funny when we do it to the side, I'm just going to show you the highlights blend better.
Yes.
When it's to the side, when it's to the center, I would bring it in, but maybe I'll just do that more in the center because I feel like I like the way it looks now.
It looks so good when you do
It's
that.
more, yeah.
just
This looks more. This looks good.
Yeah, this looks
This
like,
looks good because it's coming in.
Yeah.
The highlights are coming in.
If
When
we
it
could
was
get
more
this
centered,
in the center, yeah. Exactly.
this is not good.
Yeah,
Meaning
it's
over
not
here,
coming in.
over here, I would just like bring up a few highlights this way.
We matched where that
Yeah,
look.
exactly.
Love that.
Is this your normal side that you would flip it to the side? Because this is usually the normal.
Yeah, I would say. I don't flip so much these days, but you have to have the ability to flip.
Right.
You know?
So you're gonna wear it mostly for this movie?
Mostly in the middle.
Mostly in the middle.
Yes,
I
and
get
I
it.
probably one scene will have to flip it.
Get it, because it's windblown.
Exactly,
I
but
got
you know
it.
how it's in movies, it's a controlled wind blown, so it's
Yeah.
actually like sprayed into place, but
Hilarious.
I know, it's so funny. So exciting.
How does it feel to be blonde again?
It's crazy. It's wild to be blonde and not be traumatized from the hours.
From the process.
Because it also, even though my hair is, it's not like my hair is like pitch black or anything, but it does not lift easily.
Oh, really? That's
Yes.
so interesting.
Isn't that so annoying? So it's
Nice.
so
So you had
funny.
to like burn it.
Yes, the woman that would highlight my hair is this amazingly talented woman, and she does all these really interesting people. And one of the people whose hair she does is Khloe Kardashian, and she said that her hair lifts much faster than
That's
mine does.
weird.
I know, and I was so annoyed when she told me that.
really
It's like,
annoying.
"Why do you have to tell me that?"
So weird.
Will you please give me a walkthrough as
Yeah.
to how I take it off?
Okay, so always touch it from this area.
Okay.
So from the ears. So
Okay.
when you're gonna lift it, you're gonna lift it from there.
Like this?
Yep.
Oh, perfect. I can see how it's like a thicker.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the lace, the front, then
And
just
then
pull it
just
up.
pull. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
when I take it off, I'll show you what the lining is, and you'll see what we did. And the only reason I really lined it is because I'm gonna want you to flip you're gonna wanna flip the hair.
Right.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Should we take a picture together?
Yes, please.